Alright, I just wanted to show y'all what's today's video all about. It's this engine light, and as you can see, the oil pressure is at 0. This one here is at 0. So I'm gonna give y'all the codes and go from there. And I have my scan tool hooked up. Let's see if we get it. Alright, P0523. We have several codes. There's 4 of them. 0523, 0521, same thing. All right, so basically it's the engine oil pressure sensor. So that's telling me that the pressure sensor is gone bad, probably clogged up, or both. So we're gonna try to change this out. But before we get into this, make sure you like and subscribe. Alright, this is what your oil pressure sensor looks like. And this is a little screen that comes with it. So hopefully we can get to this. It's in a very tight space. I'm gonna show y'all the location. Now it's in a very tight space back there. Hopefully y'all can see this. But if you look where that little blue tab right there, right back there, that's where it's located. If you look at this plastic right here and you just go right where this holes, you go straight down on the back side of this plastic, and that's where it is. It's like right there. So I'm going to have to figure out how I'm gonna get that out, and I will let y'all know. All right, I want to show y'all how I got the clip off. I bought these at Harbor Freight, and I stuck it down in between. All right, this is how I stuck these down in there, down in between there. As you can see, it's a black plug down there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's there. It all depends which way the plug is sitting down in there, because bound on this particular vehicle, to pull the clip off, it was sitting more towards the right side. Well, excuse me, the left side where I'm pointing at. It was facing this way. So this was able to help me to get it off, and I just popped it up, and I was able to get this piece off. Once you get this piece off, it's pretty much easy from there. Now, as far as getting the sensor out, this is what I did. You have to have this socket here, which is 1 1/16 inch. Basically, you want to set this down on that first, and then you want to have one of these swivel, set that down, and then you have another one, extension, and then you have another extension with it. So it should look like this, and it's the easiest way I was able to get it out. And if you can buy one of these 180-degree ratchets, this would be very helpful. I was able to turn it down like this and take it out, and it was so much easier than having a straight one where you can't angle it or anything like that. So once you get done with that, all right, as you can see, the oil gauge is working. Engine light is off. I had to reset it. If you don't have a scan tool, go to your local AutoZone, have them reset it. But if you don't reset it, it's not going to work. Maybe it'll work after certain cycles, a number of cycles, I don't know. But I have a scan tool, and I just resetted it, and it's working. And if this was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.